National Weather Service in Riverton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Natrona County and central Wyoming, northeastern Fremont County and central Wyoming, until 8:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:50 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lost Cabin, which is 26 miles east of Shoshone, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Natrona and northeastern Fremont counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Fremont, Wyoming,